Meaning of enlighten.
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 Enlighten. The word enlighten means to give someone greater knowledge, understanding, or insight about a particular subject or situation. It involves shedding light on something that was previously unclear or unknown, and helping the individual to see things in a different way. The result of enlightenment can be transformative, leading to personal growth, new perspectives, and a deeper appreciation for the world around us. Through enlightenment, individuals can gain emotional and intellectual freedom, and unlock the potential to make positive changes in their lives and in the lives of those around them.